So what is up beautiful people, it's the viewfinder back again with yet another video. In today's video we'll be talking about a very interesting and fun to use, and trust me when I say fun to use, it's really fun to use. So fun to use Adobe Lightroom tool, that is HSL. So HSL stands for hue, saturation and luminance. So hue means color, saturation means the intensity of that color, and luminance means the brightness of that color. So I don't use HSL in this form, I use HSL in this form. Like I have everything on the screen. I don't have to just every time switch everything. I don't have to just click every time to see the hue, see the saturation, see the luminance. So it's quite annoying to me. So I use all. In this form I am able to see the hue, saturation and luminance level of each color without just clicking many times, right? In your Lightroom mobile you will find HSL in this form. So this is also good. I mean, choose your color and here is a hue, saturation and luminance. So this one is also good. Okay, so in your Lightroom mobile application you will find HSL in this form. Okay, first of all let's talk about the hue section. So as I said, hue means the color. When you shift your hue slider from left to right, right to left, anywhere, it will change the color of that particular color. I know it's confusing, right? So let me show you what I'm trying to explain. So let me show you. Let's pick a color like orange. Okay, so in the hue tab I will just drag the hue slider of orange towards the left side. Okay, so this right here is orange. As I'm changing the hue of orange, it's changing the color of orange, and rest everything is same. Okay, rest everything is exactly the way they are. I'm changing the orange and it's affecting only on the orange part, nothing else. Everything remains the same. And if I drag the orange hue slider towards the right side, it gets a little bit yellower, a little bit greenish. Okay, so it's changing the color of orange, rest everything is same. Okay, I can do the same thing with the yellow. So yellow you will find here on this small light on this lamp. Okay, so let's change. I'm just dragging the slider towards the left side of yellow and it's changing the color here, as you can see in real time. And if I slide that towards the right side, it's changing the color as well, and it's not disturbing the whole image. Okay, now the orange is same, it's not changing orange, it's only affecting yellow. When you use HSL you are very precise. Like if I want to change or make any changes in green color, I want to just lower the saturation of green or change the hue of green, I can do that without just manipulating the whole image, without making any changes in some other colors. So it's very precise. Okay, so that was all about hue. Hue basically means the color, and if you change the hue of any color, it changes the color of that particular color without making any changes to other color. Okay, so now let's talk about the saturation. Saturation, you all know that it changes the intensity of the colors in your image. If you are familiar with the saturation slider inside of Lightroom, as you drag it, it changes the intensity of the color, basically the whole image. But when you use HSL, if you change the saturation of any particular color, it only affects that color, everything else remains the same, as I said before. So let me show you. Okay, so let me show you the saturation, effect of saturation. As I'm dragging the saturation of orange and lowering down the saturation of orange, you can see here the orange is just washed out. Okay, the saturation intensity of orange is just gone, 0. And as I'm increasing, it's affecting the orange intensity of the orange. Okay, same I can do with the yellow. I can increase the saturation, I can decrease the saturation of yellow, and without affecting the other colors. here I'm at the luminance tab. I just want to increase the luminance of blue, so I'll just drag it and slide it all the way to the right side, and everything is in the sky is just blown out because the sky contains the majority of blues, as you can see here. And if I want to do the same with the yellow, yeah, everything is just bright. Look at this lamp. Okay, look at the lamp, it's yellow. Okay, so if I'm increasing the luminance of yellow, everything is getting washed out. Okay, same with the orange. I can lower down the orange, I can increase the orange, luminance of the orange. Same with the red. Okay, so this is all about luminance. So that was everything about HSL. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, share, and everything, you know that. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you in the next one.